Good morning and welcome to the Daily Weather Operations Brief. Starting off today, things once again looking pretty good out there, similar to yesterday with temperatures just slightly cooler. We are seeing some northerly winds across the region today, currently light and expected to be on the increase as we move into the afternoon and into the later hours of the working day ahead. And aside from some upper level cloud cover, we should see that cloud cover moving out and generally conditions remaining dry, so leaving room for a very nice day and plenty of sunshine ahead. Now, taking a look at the current radar scan out there, we are looking clear of any reflectivity, not seeing any signs of precipitation either locally or on the horizon, so expecting that to continue as the trend throughout the day. And taking a look at this morning's surface analysis chart here, we can see that a fairly strong early June cold front has since passed well south of our area as of this morning, and we do have an area of low pressure starting to develop off of the Carolina coast. As a result, we are seeing these northerly, northeasterly postfrontal winds, and those are picking up across the region as we see that pressure gradient between the offshore low and the strengthening high that's moving in from the north-northwest. That pressure gradient is tightening, so we should see some gustier winds become possible, potentially necessitating a wind advisory as we move into the early hours of today and into the early afternoon. So other than that, we can expect a slightly cooler than average day, dry conditions, and breezy winds again for much of the workday. Looking at the current observations out on the field, we do have upper level clouds around 25,000 feet. We have unrestricted visibility, northerly winds at about 9 knots, occasionally gusting to the teens, and temperatures sitting at 58 degrees Fahrenheit with a relative humidity of 61%. If we take a glance at the satellite imagery of this morning, we can see pretty clearly down south where that boundary currently lies as it continues to move southwards, and we can also see cloud cover clearing or a clearing effect taking place from north to south as some drier air continues to filter into the region. And as a result, that drier air is going to keep us modeled dry for the next few days. This is the HER only on a 24-hour loop, but we can see that really any chance of modeled reflectivity is well offshore and or scattered in nature in the mid-Atlantic region further inland. And for the 24-hour forecast for the day ahead, seeing those broken conditions now, expecting those to clear out, see some light cloud cover building in overnight, along with diminishing winds, in which the chances of seeing the wind advisory do drop off and should remain lowered for the next couple days ahead. Temperatures looking to climb into the upper 60s, around 70 today, with lows looking to drop into the mid to lower 50s overnight. Overall should be a very nice day ahead, just slightly breezy. And looking towards the next 3 days there on Wednesday, mostly sunny and a high of 77. Greens across the board. Wednesday night, similarly mostly clear and a low similar to today of 53 in the mid to low 50s. And then Thursday, mostly sunny once again and a high around 80 degrees with greens across the board for that short-term outlook. And that is going to conclude the Daily Weather Operations Brief. We'll be back at 10 o'clock with the 7-day outlook. Hope everyone has a fantastic day.